Hello, good day to everyone. Welcome to my channel. So this time, I'll be discussing C# typecasting. So pag sinabi natin C# typecasting, ito yung kung mag-assign tayo ng value sa isang variable and then i-convert natin from one data type to another data type. Okay? So again, pag sinabi nating typecasting, by definition, it is when we assign a value of one data type to another type. So in C#, we have two types of casting. Mayroon tayong tinatawag na implicit casting and mayroon din tayong tinatawag na explicit casting. So sa implicit casting is when we are going to convert a smaller type to a larger type size. Say for example, from integer, long, float to double. And then for explicit casting is when we are going to convert a larger type to a smaller size type. So from double to float to long to integer. So again, when we talk about implicit casting, this will convert automatically when passing a smaller size type to a larger size type. So say for example, dito sa ating Visual Studio, let me share. Okay. So say for example, mayroon tayong integer variable na i-declare my int which is equals to 10. Okay. And then the next one, to automatically cast, we have here double my double equals my int. Okay. So this particular statement will give us or will automatically cast. Okay. Will automatically cast an integer variable to a double data type. So when we are going to look it in the output pane, we have console.writeLine. Okay, my end, of course, this will give us the value of my end. And then for the next statement, console.writeLine my double. Then again, this will give us a value of 10, no? This time, 10 is in double data type. So when we are going to run this program, F5, so definitely we will be able to see in the output pane, okay, the value, okay, the output value of 10. Okay, the first 10 here is an integer value. The second 10 here is a double, okay, data type. Okay, so next one is the so-called explicit casting. So when we talk about explicit casting, this must be done manually by placing the type in parentheses in front of the value. So say for example, we have here, okay, so we have here double, no? Talagay natin double, my double equals 9.58. Okay, and then i-convert natin siya sa integer. And my int equals int. Okay. Then my double. Okay. So this particular type of casting is explicit casting. It manually or manual casting. Okay. From double to integer. To integer data type. So when we are going to look into the value of my int, of course, this will give us the value of 9 because this time, the value of integer is 9, no? It will give us the absolute value of 9.58, which is 9. And of course, and this next statement, console.writeLine my double, this will give us a value in the output pane, which is 9.58. So when we are going to execute the program, this will look like this. So the first one is 9. 9 here is the integer value of the variable myInt, which was manually casted by having or by placing a parenthesis in front of the variable, okay, my double. And of course, the second statement, which is console, that writeLine my double will give us the value of the my double variable, which is 9.50. Okay, so that is again explicit casting. Now let's move on with the other type conversion methods. Of course, it is possible to convert data types explicitly by using built-in methods such as convert to Boolean, convert to double, convert to string, convert that to integer 32, and of course convert that to int 64 or a long integer. Okay, so say for example, okay, I will show you an example for this. So gawin ko muna siyang comment para i-ignore siya ng ating compiler. So say for example, we have here int my int equals pagpalagay lang natin 9 na. So double, then my double equals 5.26, and then Boolean my ball equals true. So in this case, I'm gonna show you how are we going to convert integer to string, integer to double, double to integer, and then Boolean to string. So see, we have here console that writeLine. So convert doon tayo sa string. To string. So na-convert natin. Si myInt. Convert natin. So this time, yung magiging value ni myInt natin, which is 9, instead na integer, magiging string na siya, value. Then next is console that writeLine convert Okay. To double. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, so i-convert ulit natin ay si my end. Okay. Okay, so this time, this will give us a double data type of our my end value of 9. Then console that right line convert ayan, i-convert natin sa integer. Ang may double naman ay convert natin. May double. Okay. Again, this particular statement will convert double to integer. Okay. So definitely the output of this particular statement is 5. Okay. Then the last one is console that right line convert doon tayo sa to string. I-convert natin ay yung boolean. Okay. So in this particular statement, okay, console that right line convert to string my ball. This will convert boolean to string. Okay, this one this will convert integer to string. This particular statement console that right line convert that to double my end. This will convert integer to double. Then this one console that right line convert 2 and 32 my double. This will convert double to integer data type. And the last one again, console that right line convert to string my ball. This will convert boolean to string. So when we are going to run this one, of course, this will give us, okay, this will give us a value of 9, no? Of course, but this time 9 is a string value. The next 9, okay, the next one is my int value here, which is 9, is now a double data type. 5 here is again an integer value of my double. And of course, the boolean value of true here is now being converted into a string value. Okay, so much for that. Why is it that there is a need for us to convert from one data type to another? Of course, sometimes in our program, many times, of course, there's no need sometimes for type conversion. However, sometimes when we are working with user input, there are times that we have, or that conversion, there's a need for conversion of one data type to another data type. So that's all for now. Thank you for listening. Okay, see you in the next topic that we have. Bye.